Heroes assemble!
Welcome heroes! Today we're going to learn how to buy the ERC20 token Hero Inu. We can buy this on our phone or using a computer. So to get started, we are going to go to metamask.io. Then we're going to click on the download now. This is going to prompt us with three options: the Chrome extension, iOS extension, or the Android device. We're going to select the Chrome extension, click on Add to Chrome. That's going to prompt this next screen, Add extension here, and then click on the Get Started button. We're going to create a new wallet. We're going to agree to MetaMask terms, and then we're going to create a password and confirm that password. Make sure you keep that safe. Click on the terms of use checkbox and press create. Now we're going to get our secure passphrase. Hit next. Click on the little lock. Write this phrase down in the exact order. We're going to reinsert it here and then press confirm. Congrats! We're all done. Click that all done button, and now we've created a wallet. Let's fund it. Click buy. We're going to be prompted with three options to fund our wallet. Choose whichever one works best for you and add some ETH to it.
Let's get our Hero Inu!
Let's buy that hero. Go to Uniswap.io. Click on Launch App. Go ahead and press that Connect Wallet. Select your Metamask wallet. And then click Next. Click Connect. And it's that easy. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and jump to hero-inu.com to get the exact contract address. We're going to select that contract address. We're going to go ahead and copy it. Once copied, let's head back to Uniswap. Here we're going to select a token. We're going to go to Manage Token Lists. We're going to click Tokens, and then we're going to paste that contract address here and import heroes. Once imported, you're going to confirm it. And here we go. All we got to do is select how much heroes we want to buy. Adjust your slippage by clicking the gear. And we're going to take that to 15%. And smash that swap button. It's going to give us a confirmation screen. Show us how much ETH is going to be charged for gas. Go ahead and kick that button. And welcome to the team, hero.